I was wondering if you could try to price me out here.
Absolutely.
This and then all that.
Christmas is.
No, I think it's I want a hippopotamus for Christmas, right? I thought it was I want a hippopotamus for Christmas.
Yeah. I want a hippopotamus.
There you go.
I was like, oh, this doesn't sound right. Wait, what is it?
Callie,
look, it's your favorite thing. No.
What, the little pull behind thing?
Yeah.
Those are cool.
Yeah.
But I don't have a bike to pull it behind.
Oh, Dad. Mom got us.
Let's go this way.
One of those, but we never used it because we didn't know how to use it. They're called Easy Bake, but they're not really easy. Let me go walk around the place. Come on. I have money.
Don't go too far off. Cool.
Morning.
Morning, how are you?
I'm good. Have you been to my sales before?
No.
This is all from estate sale clean out, so if you see a price, ignore it. I am so much cheaper basically.
Okay.
You either have to say, what do you want for this? Or a lot of times people just make a pile and we come up with a reasonable number.
Okay, cool. I'll look through. The beerware. And I don't know if the old stuff's worth money though. I know summer beerware is worth money. Club color cast. That might be worth something. Sure, I'm gonna buy this. I don't know. I have no idea if it's any good, but I don't think that is. But these three could be. Maybe. Upwards. I'll put them in here. Heavy. Yeah. Find anything cool?
No, nothing.
Nothing yet?
No, not yet. Yeah, nothing.
The old sewing machine. Oof, it looks like it's seen better days though. It is a Singer. I don't know if they can withstand this kind of abuse. The what is coming?
Monster. Callie, do you want one of these things there? Why did I have
Electrolux? What is this?
Where's the person that owns it?
Right there. That's cool, yeah.
Why would I put just a top of the glass for pinball?
Let me see it.
It's like a tiny bowl.
I think it's an ashtray.
I'm still gonna get it.
Maybe. Can't tell.
Dad, what's that?
Maybe I should grab it. What? That's like a stereo thing. I used to have this book when I was a kid. Mike Mulligan Steam Shovel.
Is this 2 cents, Dad?
Is it what? She said maybe. She might take 2 cents. She said her prices are cheap.
That's all we do is walk on one road. If you go to the Ballmill Road, you turn right. And go through the school road.
RL. Is that Ralph Lauren?
Dad, it's a Valentine's Day plant.
Oh, cool.
They made.
What's it? Nice.
What's that?
Definitely not single stitch. I don't even know if Ralph Lauren has single stitch. I don't know anything about clothing. But look in here and see if I can find anything cool. So I think this adapter's worth 10 bucks. I don't know about the other pieces, but I guess it depends on how cheap her prices are.
Well, no, 2 years ago when I was going there, they didn't give me nothing. And now, you know, I bought some stuff.
Right.
You know, this is what I'm doing.
I think it's a money thing with them part of the time. I don't care for it. I've noticed that before. Because I've had some guys that were even rude at the parts company. Here you go, slam it down and, you know, stuff
Have
like
all
that.
those cassettes for $2.
I don't know if I need them.
Probably not.
It's kind of cool to see them though.
8 tracks is fine.
No,
Occasionally we
I found an
do.
8-track player and it works.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and all them 8 tracks that I'll let go because I figured I'd never find nothing to play on. I'm like, oh,
Dang.
I kept them now.
Dad,
Yeah.
Dad, what's this?
I have no idea. Some wood thing.
Maybe someone tried to make something out of it.
Maybe. You know this coat? Where'd Callie go?
This is so... Oh, it's plastic. Except why did it just spill out when you drank out of it? 'Cause it's so round.
Probably. Found a couple things I like.
This one was...
Callie's like asking the wrong people pricing over there. It's pretty funny. Any of these shoes any good?
Well, I don't see anything that could be cool,
Callie,
but
what is she doing?
she likes the ball.
Yeah. With the red shirt.
The jacket?
Yeah.
Jacket?
Yeah.
Callie was like, I showed her this, and I'm like, it's all rusty. See, it's all broken.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's kind of gross.
She's like, oh, I want this back. Sweet. Oh, I want this back. Oh, what's that?
We got mouse poop. There's mouse poop in there. Gross.
Ugh.
Don't lick your fingers.
Do we have hand sanitizer in the car?
Yeah. The Complete Beauty Book.
Dad.
Yeah.
Ugh. Never mind. I was gonna say that was Devin's treats.
Callie, what do you say?
She did.
Yeah. Iowa CD player, tape player. That's cool.
Those things sell in the box.
No, I sold
But
it for
Dad, it's
14
good. I'm gonna
bucks
use
when I
all
sold it.
these quarters and pennies if it works. I'm gonna use all of it for money.
Nice.
Okay?
Okay.
How much Robux do you think give you that?
I have no idea.
I should give you all of them. Dad,
It's all trash.
look. Okay, Dad.
Orange basket or whatever. This is a cool belt. don't know if it's worth anything. It's really just a buckle. Yeah. 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 What is this? Night glow. Kind of cool. Grab that. A professional button holder by Singer. That's kind of cool. That's cool. You got your money pouch?
Yeah.
Alright. What's that? Yeah.
This way has a lot of stuff.
Mm-hmm.
I know. Junk stuff.
Well, it's the yard sale for you. This is cool. It's from Paris. You don't like that. I don't know. Oh, we didn't even look over here. You already looked?
Yeah. Actually, no. Hey, take a spot. And we never looked back yet.
It looks like just lamps. Lots of lamps.
Pool floats.
Pool floats?
Yeah.
I mean, it's just right now. What's the date on it?
Why did they put other two cups out?
Hmm. It might be expired. Excuse me. And dog beers. I was wondering if you could try to price me out here.
Absolutely.
This and then I'll bet.
How about $10?
That's pretty much what I was thinking. Yeah.
I don't think she's buying it. Oh.
Yeah, she is. That's her pile. There you go.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. All right. You ready, girls? Hey everyone, thanks for coming with me on that yard sale. It was a pretty cool yard sale. Apparently this person does sales all the time. It was in a whole different area that I hardly ever go out to. I brought my girls with me and we just kind of took it easy. We showed up pretty late, a couple hours after it started. It was the only sale we did. It was a Sunday. You know, and we just, you know, we weren't in a rush. We weren't too bothered by getting a bunch of stuff. I have a ton of inventory right now, so I just thought it'd be fun to go and kind of see what they had. And I did have a couple of good finds and a couple terrible finds. I got some cast iron. I don't know too much about cast iron, but it looked nice and vintage. And I did some comping on that same brand, that design, that color, those the white ones with the white back. And I found some single pans going for like 30 to 40. So I did them together for 60 or best offer, and hopefully they sell. And then I found that makeup thing right near the end, which was a real big score. I I found it on eBay. That kit itself doesn't really sell, but if you take out those little things of foundation and the facial cream and all that other stuff, it does sell individually. And it looks like out of those 4, I think one of them sells for 20. 2 of them sell for 20 and 2 of them sell for 30 to 40. So I should end up getting around $100 from that makeup stuff, maybe even more. I'll put the comps at the end. So if I get 60 for the pans, 100 for the makeup, I paid 10 bucks. Kids threw a couple things in the basket, and I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I don't know, not too much, but definitely a nice little leisurely sale. A lot of cool stuff to look at, and apparently she does it all the time, so I'll probably go back if I ever see her address pop up again. But yeah, make sure you check out my other videos. Go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and all those other cool things that help the channel grow. Appreciate it. Bye.